Space, the final frontier, a realm of mystery and boundless wonder. But what if I told you that scientists have recently detected an enigmatic object drifting in the darkness that defies everything we thought we knew about the universe? It started with a routine scan by a team of astronomers monitoring a patch of space beyond Neptune. What they found was not a rogue asteroid, not a comet, and certainly not a derelict satellite. This was something no one had seen before, an enormous, perfectly geometrical structure moving with purpose. The object was first thought to be an illusion, a glitch in the software perhaps. Initial reactions were filled with skepticism. The data seemed too bizarre to be true, and many believed it was just a technical error. The software had never shown anything like this before, leading to a flurry of checks and rechecks. But after countless confirmations by different observatories worldwide, one thing became clear. This was real. The object defied all known parameters, and the more it was observed, the more it intrigued the scientific community. Teams from various countries collaborated, sharing data and insights, all arriving at the same conclusion. This was no ordinary celestial body. Scientists dubbed it Object X, a mysterious mass unlike any known celestial body. The name itself sparked curiosity and a sense of urgency. What was Object X? Where did it come from? These questions dominated discussions in labs and observatories around the globe. It wasn't just floating. It was moving against the flow of gravitational forces as if it was self-propelled. This movement was unlike anything seen before. It suggested a level of control or propulsion that was previously thought impossible for a natural object. The implications were staggering.
We observed it over weeks, and it exhibited changes in speed and trajectory. Each observation brought new surprises. Sometimes it would accelerate rapidly, then slow down, almost as if it were responding to some unseen force or command. The data collected was both fascinating and perplexing. It felt almost as if it noticed our gaze and shifted slightly out of our telescopic line of sight. This behavior led to numerous theories. Some speculated it was an advanced probe from an alien civilization, while others thought it might be a new type of celestial phenomenon. The mystery of Object X deepened with each passing day, captivating the minds of scientists and the public alike.
Theories flooded in, sparking debates not just in the scientific community but across the world. Was this a probe sent by an extraterrestrial civilization? The idea captured the imagination of many, leading to a surge in discussions on social media platforms and forums. People from all walks of life, from amateur astronomers to seasoned scientists, weighed in with their thoughts and theories. Or could it be a natural phenomenon from a different dimension, intersecting briefly with our reality? This hypothesis, though more speculative, intrigued physicists and cosmologists who have long pondered the existence of parallel universes and the possibility of their interaction with our own. Astrophysicist. Given its highly reflective metallic surface, the object stood out against the backdrop of space. Its unusual brightness and the way it reflected light suggested it was not just an ordinary asteroid or comet. And structured symmetry, it's hard not to speculate on its potential artificial origin. The symmetry was too perfect, too precise, raising questions about whether it was crafted by intelligent beings. Could it be a remnant of an ancient advanced civilization, or perhaps a message sent across the cosmos? But we can't jump to conclusions just yet. The scientific method requires rigorous testing and evidence. While the object's characteristics are fascinating, more data is needed to draw any definitive conclusions. Researchers are now focused on gathering more information using advanced telescopes and space probes to study the object in greater detail. The quest for answers continues as the world watches with bated breath. Further scans revealed an even more perplexing detail. Object X was emitting low-frequency signals. But these signals were not random. They repeated in sequences, almost like a coded message. Linguists and cryptologists scrambled to decipher them, only to find patterns that defied every known language structure. And then, as abruptly as it appeared, the object began to move with a speed unmatched by anything in human engineering. It was as if the laws of physics had been rewritten, allowing this mysterious entity to defy everything we thought we knew about motion and velocity. It hurtled towards the edge of our solar system faster than ever. The object seemed to have a destination in mind, a purpose that was beyond our comprehension. Scientists and astronomers watched in awe and confusion as it sped past planets and asteroids, leaving a trail of intrigue in its wake. No propulsion flares, no visible signs of energy use, just silent, swift motion. It was as if it was gliding on an invisible track, propelled by forces unknown to us. The absence of any detectable energy source only deepened the mystery, making it clear that this was no ordinary object. It passed Pluto and moved beyond the reach of our best telescopes, leaving more questions than answers in its wake. What was Object X? Was it a probe sent by an advanced civilization, or perhaps a natural phenomenon that we have yet to understand? The possibilities were endless, and each one more fascinating than the last. An observer? A harbinger? The scientific community was abuzz with theories and speculations. Some believed it was a sign of extraterrestrial life, while others thought it might be a new type of celestial body. The debates were endless, but one thing was certain. Object X had captured the imagination of people all over the world, or perhaps a reminder of the vast unknown that waits for us among the stars. The universe is a place of infinite possibilities, and Object X was a stark reminder of how much we have yet to discover. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remain open to the unexpected, ready to embrace the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. The silent shift was not just an event, it was a call to look deeper, to question more, and to never stop seeking the answers that lie hidden in the vast expanse of space. Object X remains one of the greatest cosmic mysteries of our time. It beckons us to continue exploring, questioning, and peering deeper into the dark fabric of the universe. Until one day, when we might finally understand the whisper of the cosmos and the strange objects it sometimes sends our way, keep looking up. The story isn't over.